All right, so for the longest time, the digital assistant, or Gemini on Android, was tied directly to your media volume slider, meaning you couldn't change the volume for the assistant specifically. But now, with Android 17, we finally have a dedicated volume slider for the assistant volume. And to control this, you can just click the volume buttons on the side of your phone, and then tap that little slider-looking button on the bottom. On some phones, you'll see 3 dots instead, and it could be on the bottom or on the top, depends on what type of Android phone you have. Here, you see individual volume sliders for different functions. Here's my media volume up top, and on this phone, I actually don't see the assistant volume listed here. So what I'll do is tap Settings on the bottom, and this takes me to the System Settings inside the Sounds and Vibration menu. And here, we got more options. So on the bottom, now I have a volume slider for the assistant volume, which I can use to determine how loud that assistant voice will be talking. Another way to get there would be to go to your settings, and then we can go to Sound and Vibration. And there's all those sliders individually. On Samsung phones, you'd see these under a separate volume menu within your sound settings. Each phone always looks slightly different when it comes to Android and its menus. Anyways, that's how you control the AI assistant volume. Click that like button if this helped you. It will help me and my channel. Thanks all. Until next time.